Graphic Tools enhances a graphic designer's work time by automating repetitive and time-consuming tasks that slow the production. The B.A.G tool is designed to create a dynamic presentation of your files from an upload and text information. In a minimum amount of time for maximum efficiency, you can boost your presentation thanks to template personalization. Here are a few automation examples. Calculation of ink rate per ink. Creation of the dimensions of your cutting shape. Adapting your file to the scale of your template. Viewing of the label printed on the coil. Decomposition of your file views by layers, colors, or technique. And to optimize the ranges, create multiple B.A.G using the file name as a variable data. In addition, you can homogenize the B.A.G regardless of the operator. Your customizable B.A.G will be unique and will meet your needs and your customers' demands. Let's find out how it works. Graphic Tools allows you to create a B.A.G in 3 simple steps. Create a request, select a function, adjusting your options. At login, the command page allows you to view in spreadsheet form each request classified by date, a line corresponding to a file. Done for already downloaded files. Ready for processed files but not downloaded. Process for the files being transformed. Let's start by creating a new request by clicking on this button. I choose the B.A.G with cartridge option, and I confirm my choice by going to the next step. You can adjust your B.A.G settings. You can load a file either by dragging and dropping or by browsing My Files. If you have a B.A.G model that allows it, you can load a batch of files to trigger the creation of several simultaneous B.A.G on the same setting model. I choose the appropriate marker template, and the options that characterize it are displayed. I fill the fields that appear. I can fill them all or only those I need. Depending on the template chosen, the fields will be different and adapt to your needs. When I have finished filling in my information, I click on the check mark to complete this operation. Another new confirmation appears. It allows to validate several different functionalities and return to the command page. I then go back to the first page, and my file is in process status in the list of commands. A few minutes later, the B.A.Gs are ready and we are going to upload them. We can compare the initial files and the B.A.G produced. Here's the unit file without text information and the results following the Graphic Tools automation. We can find the uploaded visual and the information we filled in, but also new information, like the detail of the colors or the percentage of ink. It should be noted that a B.A.G is flattened and not modifiable. Thus, you secure the B.A.G file, which will be visible in the same way on a different software, and avoid the visual problems of overprints, for example. Here are some other available options. You can delete the command in order to purge your completed orders. You can delete either a single command or all files uploaded as a group. The command modification, which simply modifies the chosen command from the information already entered. Very useful in case of index change, typing, or file error. Order duplication, which copies the same order under a new number. Like the modification, the information is retained, but the reference command will not be overwritten. Useful for using the same template with different information. If you work in groups with several users within the same company, you will see your orders by default, but the orders of your employees will remain visible and modifiable by clicking on Company. Always practical in case of absence or proofreading.